Hey friends, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. It's Life with Tamika Lynn, and I'm so happy you guys are here. We are like trucking along still. I am so proud of myself, guys. Like, this is a lot of work, but I am just so happy I've stuck with it. And I'm excited every day to make these videos. I was talking to my daughter yesterday, I believe, our oldest daughter, and I was telling her I was a little discouraged because there's like a lot of effort that is going into finding the time every day to make these little short videos. And she was like, Ma, you just got to stay consistent and like your following will come, but just stay consistent and it's just going to happen. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to do that. So, but yeah, I appreciate you guys for following along. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're returning, I appreciate the support. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. I love all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I love to talk about handbags. That's just like one of my things. So if those are things that interest you, I would love for you to stick around with me on a permanent basis. Today, let's see. So work, I mean, I'm just like, I'm kind of boring. I'm like, that's just what it is. During the week, I work. That's it. But I think we are actually going to hit the road tonight. So maybe like tomorrow I'll have some extra content for you guys. But for today, you're getting me. So when I chose my bag of the day, I had like a rationale behind it. So the other day, we have a group chat with the oldest kids. So the oldest is a boy, second oldest is a girl. So and they're both grown. But we had a group chat with them the other day, and in the group chat, my daughter was saying that she put a verse, like a scripture, in the group chat, and she was like, I think we should, going forward, implement. We take turns putting a scripture a day in the group chat, right? So I was like, oh, okay, I like that idea. But for like 2 days, I forgot to do it. So I ended up doing it last night. And then this morning, like at the crack of dawn, my son like put his verse in the group chat. And I was like, oh. So his verse was, each day has enough trouble of its own. And that's Matthew 6:34. But he put like a caption at the bottom that said, if you're worrying about tomorrow, you can't enjoy today. You miss today's blessings. It's okay to plan for tomorrow, but you have to live for today. And I just thought that was like just so amazing. So he was fresh on my mind. And that's what caused me to pick whatever bag, that I was going to choose for today. So without any further ado, let's get into the bag of the day for day 13 of Vlogmas. A couple of years ago, my son bought me a bag, and I absolutely love the bag. So it's from the brand Tory Burch, and I love Tory Burch. I love their slides. I like their sunglasses. I've bought phone cases over the years. I love the brand. I absolutely love the brand. I remember a couple of years ago, my husband, when we would go to Atlanta, he did not mind going into the Tory Burch store with me because he could sit on the couch and they served Corona beer. So he was always down with going in Tory Burch. And then years later, he was always down with going into Louis Vuitton with me because they would give him champagne. But anyways, so I love Tory Burch. I think it's a fabulous brand, and I like the quality of their stuff, and it's just one of my favorite brands. So anyways, my son, he ended up buying me this bag. I picked out the bag, and then, he's, gave me the money to get it, right? So it's always held a special place in my heart because I just thought that was just such a nice, I just thought it was very, mature of him. His income was very limited, right? So for him to want to buy me something, it definitely, for a young teenager, it was a lot of money, right? But I just thought that it was just so kind of him. He was just starting out in his career. I think he was 19, I don't know, 18, I don't know. But I just thought it was just very, very mature of him. And it meant so much to me. It wasn't even about the amount of the bag or anything like that. It was the thought behind it. I just was so appreciative that he thought enough of me to offer to buy me something. And I was like, oh, that's just so sweet. So anyways, the bag of the day is this Tory Burch. This was This back then, because I've had it for a few years now, it was from, it was called the Cura Chevron small camera bag. And this bag came in multiple sizes, but this is the small size. It's this beautiful nautical blue. I know that Tory Burch still has camera bags. I'm just not sure if it's the same exact design, but they still have a Cura line. It just comes in, you know, multiple models and multiple shapes, colors, etc. But this particular bag right here was the camera bag. The bag is blue the whole way around. There are no feet on the bottom, and it does have the Tory Burch symbol on the front. The strap has gold, a gold chain, like a half a gold chain that turns into a leather strap, and then it is adjustable. It is not detachable, but it does have multiple adjustment settings, so it definitely tall girl friendly. I'm always here for tall girl friendly. And then the other side, of course, has the additional chain, and then it, you know, goes into the leather strap. The leather is just so soft, but it's the type of leather that definitely could scratch easily, so you could definitely like get marks on it. It definitely can scratch very easily, but I keep it in the dust bag when I don't use it, and I normally keep my strap rolled up inside of the bag, so that's why it kind of looks a little like it's not straight, because I keep it rolled up in the bag. So maybe, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't do that, but the bag is in a great condition. The inside of the bag, it does have a zipper compartment on one side, and that zipper compartment, you could probably fit like some cards in there, definitely like some credit cards or something. It's big enough for that. And then on the other side, there are two slip pockets. So one right here and one right here. So let's say you wanted to slip some cash down in there. You could fold up some paper, slip it down there, and you know, it would work out really well. And then the inside, it has like this textile fabric, and it's like a beigeish color. The zipper pull does have like a little piece of leather on it, but the zipper is very smooth. I love this bag. I carry it, especially like on those days where you just want to be cute. I'll insert some photos, but I definitely remember carrying it in Rome. We went to St. Peter, and we went to the Vatican, etc. And I definitely remember it carrying it then. So off the top of my head, that's definitely a photo I'll insert. Along with the bag, I also got the matching card holder, and same exact material, that beautiful leather. It has the gold Tory Burch symbol on the front. It has two card slots in the front, so 1, 2, and then there's 2 in the back, and then there is a middle compartment. And because it's leather, you can, like, it gives, right? So you could fit like more than one card into each slot, which I like. But yeah, I adore this set. I can fit like the card holder when I carry it. It's normally like the card holder, my cell phone, and I'll put like a little like catch-all, smaller than a mini pochette, but it's like a little something just to keep like some chapstick in and sanitizer. But I keep it very light when I carry this bag, because it's small, right? So I don't want to like fumble around with it too much trying to like make stuff fit. It's one of those like, you're cute, like, you know, you're out for the day being cute type of bag. So yeah, I absolutely love this. And I always tell him, I'd be like, oh, I'm gonna carry that bag you bought me. So I absolutely love that. I hope you guys are enjoying these days. I mean, I am enjoying making this content for you guys. I'm still truly excited every day when I try to figure out what bag I'm gonna discuss and like tell you guys about it. Like normally I have a rationale for everything and I have a story for everything. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. Leave me some comments down below. I know that a lot of you are Tory Burch fans, so let me know some of the newer things that you're buying from the brand these days. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again tomorrow, and until then, be safe.